How to stop subscriptions on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove subscriptions on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have any sort of subscriptions and now you might want to remove the subscriptions, then it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the settings application, then just tap your Apple ID profile from the top of the screen. Then over here you'll be able to find an option where it says subscriptions. You just want to make sure to tap on it here once. Once you tap on the subscriptions option, you'll be able to find all the active subscriptions that you might have of any app or websites. Then you can go ahead and then cancel them accordingly. And this way you can stop subscriptions on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.